Hello everyone, this is the second video of the Database Management Systems video series. Today we are going to discuss the second question set. We'll see the question. The board of directors of Sandun Productions has decided to include all their company information into a computer software. The software was commissioned by Tilina Gayatra Soft. You are the senior software engineer of this software development company, and your team has been assigned to create the database. Create the database needed to store information in the software. So, as the first question, they have said us to use Sandun Production DB for the name of the database. Okay, now we are in HeidiSQL software. So to do this question, I'm going to use the HeidiSQL software. So in my last video in question set 1 also I said you how to create a database. We have to right click on localhost and then you can go to create new database. Here you have to give the database name Sanduna Production DB. Then we can press OK. Here you can see our database. We'll go to see the next question. In the second question, they have said us to create the table called employee to store employee information. Follow the instructions below to create it. They have given the column names, data types and length. Then we'll create a table. Here we can right click on the database and go to create new table. Here we have to give the table name employee. Here we can add the columns for the table. Employee registration number. Then first name, last name. Then gender, contact number. So after adding all the columns, we can press the save button. Okay, we have successfully saved the employee table. Here you can see the table under the database, and also here you can see the database table. So then they have said in the next question to create a table named product to store product information. Follow the instructions below to create it. Here also they have given all the details, column name, data type and length. Okay, we'll create product table. Product. Here we can add the columns, product ID, product name, brand. Okay, now we have added all the columns. We can click on the save button to save the table. Here we have saved the table successfully. You see here, this is the table. So in the next question, they have asked us, what are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table above? So in the product table, the product ID and product name will not be repeated again and again, but the brand will be repeated because uh, many products can have the same brand. So here we can uh, create another new table as brand, and we can add brand ID int, and we can also give auto increment. When we put auto increment, the ID will be saved as 1 2 3 when we give the data. So again we can add the brand name here. Okay, we can give the brand name, and we can give the data type as varchar, and length 45. And also we are going to make the ID column as the primary key. Okay, now we are going to save this table. Now we have 3 tables in our database. In the product table, I'm going to change the brand column as brand ID, and I'm going to make this brand ID column as a foreign key. Here we can go to foreign keys, then click on add button, then you can add a new foreign key. Then here we are going to add the brand ID as the foreign key. The reference table is brand, then foreign column is ID. So after filling this table, here we have to change the data type as int, because in the brand table we have given the brand ID data type as int. Now, okay, now we can save this table. Now in this product table, data will not be, even though the data is repeated, only one character or the number will be repeated. So it's easy to manage data. So this is the question set 2. This is the end of my video. Thank you.